Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to check the PlayStation Plus expiration date on your PlayStation app. Now if you want to check the expiration date of a PlayStation Plus from your PlayStation app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to check the expiration date, make sure that you have installed the PlayStation app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the PlayStation app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your PlayStation network or the PSN account. So if you're not logged in, click on the option of sign in to log into your account. So after that you need to click on the profile icon at the very top right of the screen, and from there you need to click on the option of settings. So after selecting settings, you need to go on the subscription management. So scroll down and tap on subscription management or the account information section. Depending on the version of the app which you have provided, you will see the option like that. So after that, tap on the option of PlayStation Plus or subscription. So from there you may view your subscription details, like you'll be able to see the expiration date, your next renewal date, or the end of the current subscription period. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to see the PlayStation Plus expiration date from your PlayStation app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.